Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning ayah number 138 of Surah Baqarah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. صبغة الله ومن أحسن من الله صبغة ونحن له عابدون. صبغ. Swat is a heavy letter, so we will write capital H. For kasra, give E sound, sli. Make sure you don't drop the sound of kasra, even you are attaching it with ba. So sli, the sound E should be added into swat. Sli, sliba. And ba will be light and it will get sifa of qalqala. Qutubu jadin are the letters. Whenever these are with sukoon, will get sifa of qalqala. Sleep, sleep, ghain is heavy. So we'll make write it for we will write capital H. And how you make any letter heavy? By lifting your root of your tongue towards your palate, and don't ever use circle your lips to make any letter heavy. Okay, gho. Your lips should be in a very natural position. Sleep, that is light. And lafz jalala is heavy because whenever lafz jalala is followed by fatha or dhamma, it is heavy. So heavy lafz jalala sounds like lo. Tell lo, he. And it is always long. So here it is heavy and long. Tell lo, he is short. For kasra, give e sound. He, it's he. It's not hey. He. Wa for wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. Wa man. For fatha, open your jaws. And for noon sakin, you will give sifa of tawassut. And this is ibhar because whenever you find huruf halaqi after noon sakin, you will make this noon sakin, the sound of noon sakin very clear. Waman for fatha, open your jaws, attached with ha. Ha will get sifa of raqawa, and raqawa is a flow of breath, flow of sound. So the sound shouldn't stop. So the sound should flow on ha because this is part of raqawa. Sa is short. Nu for dhamma, circle your lips. Ahsanu. Mi. Again for kasra, give e sound. Mi. Nallahi. For fatha, open your jaws, attach with lafz jalala. What is lafz jalala? This is name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and it includes Allah. So whenever a name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is followed by fatha or dhamma, here it is followed by fatha, so it will be heavy. So minallah, and it is always long. Minallahi for kasra, give e sound. Sleep for swad is heavy, so we'll write capital H. For kasra, give e sound. Attached with ba, ba will get sifa of qalqala. Sleep go is heavy and short. And here we are giving waqf. So can you see this? This sign, it says you can stop here. So we are choosing to stop. So how will you stop on this circle ta? You simply change it into ha. And ha with sukoon, because you are giving sukoon. Why? Because you are stopping at the end. So ha with sukoon will get sifa of rakhawa. So when you will stop, you will give sifa of rakhawa on ha. Sibgha. Look how it flows. This sound. Sibgha. Wa for wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. Nah. For fat noon, noon is with fatha, open your jaws and attach with ha. Ha will get sifa of rakhawa, and rakhawa is a flow of sound. Wa nahnu. For dhamma, circle your lips. La is short. Hu is 2 counts long. Lahu. And for Dhamma, circle your lips very well. Ain from your throat, and it is 2 counts long, because this staggering fatha is actually a complete alif. So if you wanted to write it another way, it can be written like this: because this is actually this long complete alif. So we are making it 2 counts long because this is 2 counts long vowel. Alif sakina followed by fatha. Abidun. For B, for kasra, give E sound. Abi. Doon will be. Why I'm making it long? Because you are stopping at the end. This is a waqf, the place of waqf. So you will give sukoon on noon. So this is so noon with sukoon, what it will get? It will get sifaf at the wasat. One thing. The other thing is this is a temporary sukoon. So before temporary sukoon, if temporary sukoon is followed by 2 counts long vowel, this temporary sukoon will affect this 2 counts long vowel and change it into 4 counts. And this whole process is called mad arid lis-sukoon. So you cancel this 2 and change it to 4, and now you will make it 4 counts long and give the wasut on the noon. Abidun. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.